In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a dashboard and Lightning experience using Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or simply looking to enhance your dashboard creation skills, this step-by-step guide will help you build a streamlined and effective dashboard in about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to open the Dashboards tab within Salesforce. This is your starting point for creating and managing your dashboards. By navigating to this tab, you're setting yourself up to design a new dashboard that can display your valuable data in a way that's both visually appealing and easy to understand. Once you're in the Dashboards tab, it's time to create a new dashboard. You'll typically find an option to create a new one right at the top or somewhere prominently displayed. Click on that to start your dashboard creation process. Now you'll need to decide on a name for your new dashboard. This helps in quickly identifying what data or insights the dashboard is meant to provide. You can also add a description to give more context about what the dashboard contains or its purpose. Don't skip choosing a folder for storage. By selecting a shared folder, others in your organization can access the dashboard if needed, fostering better collaboration. With your dashboard created, it's time to add components, often referred to as widgets, to it. Components are the building blocks of your dashboard, displaying the data in various forms such as charts or tables. To add these, you'll find a dashboard builder interface where you can click the plus widget option. From there, choose whether you want to add a chart, which is great for visual data, or a table, which provides more detailed information. After adding your components, you'll want to spend a few moments arranging and resizing them. This ensures that your dashboard is not only functional, but also easy on the eyes. You can drag and drop the components to fit your layout preferences, making sure everything is aligned and that important data stands out. If your dashboard would benefit from added flexibility, consider using dashboard filters. These allow the end users of your dashboard to filter the data displayed according to their specific needs or interests, adding an interactive element. Next, it's essential to set the dashboard properties for further customization. Use the gear icon in the builder, often marked as properties, to define key settings. Here, you can decide on the running user, essentially whose data will be reflected across the dashboard. Choose whether it should display data from your perspective, a fixed user, or let it adapt based on who is viewing it. You can also adjust visual options, like themes and layouts, to ensure your dashboard aligns with your professional brand. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks and performs, make sure to save your work. Simply click Save and then hit Done to publish your dashboard. Now your newly created dashboard is ready for you or your team to use and analyze effectively.